Hi, I'm Juliet, your favorite photographer and car mechanic. Today is the day when I was invited to explore some hidden treasure. Maybe I will take something with me. So let's go barn shopping. Okay, let's go. Look at this! What a beautiful two legends here. Mini, absolutely amazing. This is XJ. Wow! Look at these. This is the one with the square lights from the 80s. Let's look inside. This is 6-cylinder motor. Wow! Wow, this is so comfortable. I feel like inside of a boat and it's leather everywhere. Wow. Look, automatic gearbox. Amazing. My friend has way too many cars and that's why he invited me to look at them, that I can maybe take one of them, I don't know. But I see that this Mini, he will never give up. This is his love, so I will not even look at it. On the little. Look what is hidden behind this door. Oh. Can you believe it? Oh God. This is the glass. This is an XJS from the 80s. You see it has a raised bonnet, that means it has 6-cylinder. But I cannot open it. I will not destroy the car. There's some real hidden treasure here, and in a beautiful condition. This is absolutely super awesome. Those round lights are very desirable by collectors because at the time the Jaguars had square lights and those have two beautiful round eyes on each side. Here you see Jaguar from the same time, but with the square lights. But I thought them both very beautiful. And of course the green cow. This is the right jack, because it has steering wheel at the right side. and it has manual gearbox, so you can race properly. Oh, it has blue interior, and it is, of course, absolutely crazy comfortable. Look at this! It is FJ40. No, it is BJ45. Whoa! So this is what started all this Land Cruiser craziness in the 50s. This is amazing. I need this. I know that Land Rover people will hate me for this, but I don't care. It is probably from the 80s, but it looks in absolutely awesome shape. Wow, follow, and it's even shifts nicely. This you wouldn't have expected. This Toyota has a wrong color, you know it, but maybe this is the reason why my friend will sell it for cheaper. I think I will stop look here because I need it also. I don't even know what it is, but I want this. Well, let's go racing. Let's go shopping. What a great barn find, don't you think? Tell me which you think I took with me home, and see you next time.